So I'm Austin Flourish. I own Midwest Concrete Solutions here in Kansas City, and have had the Lightning for about 4 years now. The twister had a lot more power. We've got about 50,000 square foot here of this Parquet wood flooring that's down extremely well. It's got a urethane base glue under it, and it's got a lot more power. We really need it on this job. It's the right machine for this job.